Today we're in Hermitage, Tennessee. That's where they buried Andrew Jackson, the guy on the $20 bill. We're here to install a 9-zone system at this house. We'll be putting 4 rotor zones in the front yard, 4 rotor zones in the backyard, along with a drip zone in the backyard for some trees. But before we can do that, we've got to open up all these trenches. Let's get to work. The front yard has been trenched out and plumbed in. We're working on, I shouldn't say plumbed in, they're still doing that over there. While they're plumbing that in, we're backfilling over here. The trencher is in the backyard trenching for those 5 zones back there. These 4 zones will be completely installed in about 30 minutes. And before you say anything, no, we don't pull pipe. Nobody pulls pipe in this area. Just when you thought this was only an irrigation installation, you were wrong. We also install lighting. That is what that is right there. And there should be another one down the way there. There's a couple more in front of this peak right here. There's a couple in here to light up this peak right here. Eventually, we'll run that wire to the controller around the corner here to where Eric's working, because that's where the controller is right now. Right there on the wall next to the irrigation controller. Beautiful. Good job, Eric.
Thank you, sir.
It is now 11:24 in the morning. We have fully trenched, installed all pipe and heads, backfilled this entire front yard, which is 4 zones. We've also installed the whole lighting system. It's already up and running and been tested. If I'm not mistaken, the backflow is almost in. Lighting controller on the wall, irrigation controller on the wall. Mind you, we're still in the middle of construction. Please, no comments about how everything looks dirty. Obviously, we're in the middle of surgery at the moment. It is now 2:23 in the afternoon. All we need to do is clean up. We're packing down the trenches over there. The boys are putting everything back on the truck. This system is in the ground. All that's left to do is test it, which is the next step, which might actually already be happening in the backyard. Let's go double check. Here we go with one of our beautiful rotor zones in the backyard. There are 4 of those back here. Excuse me, 3 rotor zones. The area I'm stepping in right now is an MP Rotator zone. We have a drip zone just for all of these plants here at the back of the pool. Beautiful. Good job, Eric.
I tried.
Here's another one of those rotor zones in the backyard. And that beautiful truck over there. Look at that. Back to the sprinklers. Here's the drip zone doing drip zone things, dripping like so. Drip, drip, drip. Good stuff. Separating this zone from the rest of the zones that are going to be turf zones is smart, because we can water those plants separately from the way we water the turf, which is exactly the plan here. Eric and I and the rest of the team are going to run through the front zones, the other 4 zones in the front of this 9-zone system. Once we get all that dialed in, walk the customer through, we're going to be on to the next one. Yesterday I had quite a few comments about a backflow that was in the middle of being installed. One of those comments was, why don't you use copper? Let me give you a 50%, there's some copper. All right, now we're on to the next one.